Welcome to Inception. You will have to select the correct pronunciation. So, the right answer is option A. Next, so the right answer is option C. Here, the right answer is option D. Next, the right answer will be option B. Next, the right answer will be option A. The right answer will be option C. Next one. Here, the right answer will be option D. Next one. The right answer will be option B. So the next one is right answer is option A. The last one, and the right answer will be option C. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel.